Hi, in this video I'll show you how to export data from SQL Server to CSV. First, make sure you select the right database. In case the available database tab is grayed out, you just need to put your cursor on the new query window and you will see the tab is now active. Now to choose your database, click the little down arrow key and choose your database from here. Now under your server's name, select Databases directory. Click the plus sign key and check if your database is selected. If not, select it. Click the plus sign next to your selected database to see your database objects. Now check your database object that you want to export. In my case, I'm going to export one table from this database. But before that, I'm going to run two commands to see how many rows and columns I have in my table. As you can see, I have 19,820 rows and 7 columns in this particular table. Now go to your database, highlight your database again, and right-click. Now click Tasks, and from here choose at the bottom Export Data. Here click Next. Now click this down arrow key to select the source data, and from here scroll down and choose the Microsoft OLE database provider for SQL Server. From here, check your server name and choose your authentication method and choose your database from here and click Next. From destination section, choose flat file destination. In the file name section, click Browse. Now from here, you can choose the location for your destination file. Now you can write the name of your flat file here. Now choose the extension of your flat file. Now click Open, click Next again. The source table or view section, click this little down arrow key and choose your database object. From here, you can click Edit Mapping if you want to make any changes to your selection. Otherwise, click Preview to see your table data and structure. Click OK, click Next again, click Finish. As you can see, I do not have any error here, and all my rows are mapped to the CSV file. To see your data in the CSV file, go to your file and open it. Now we saw how to export data from SQL Server to CSV file. Thank you for watching.